So this project starts with a story. I had a longtime viewer contact me and ask if I would do a special project for him and his wife.
And normally I'm reluctant to take on additional work because I am pretty loaded right now. But this turned out to be pretty special, so let me tell you what happened. My friend Kevin and his wife had a child, and at the age of 4 he had developed cancer. And in the last days of his illness, his wife and him would take him out to this tree behind their house that they had a swing on. And they would swing him and swing him and swing him, and he loved it. And they were able to spend their last moments with him on this swing. So this tree had a lot of significance and sentimental value to them. And fast forward about 10 years, I guess his wife still will often go out and swing in the tree and miss her son, and it's the only way she gets a little bit of comfort. So it's been about 10 years. The tree has died, and they are going to move, and he felt that he needed to do something so that she can keep this connection and have some comfort in the new place. So he asked me if I would make her a hairpin. I guess she wears those often, and he would pay me for it, and that way she could have something from the tree. And I said, sure, I'm happy to make it for you, but I'm not going to charge you for it. I don't feel right about that, and so we agreed. So he sent me the branch. It got here yesterday, and today I started working on it. And it wasn't the best branch. It's a little barky and a little wet, but I was able to shape it rather rapidly. And to be fair, I know nothing about hairpins. I had to ask a couple of friends on exactly what they're supposed to look like and what they're supposed to do. And so we shaped this hairpin, and we'll be shipping it back to him, and I really hope his wife enjoys it. I wish I knew what type of wood it is. He didn't know, I don't know. It's kind of a mix between a soft and a hardwood, so I'd say a medium wood. And it is a little bit wet. It cut quite well. And this project really went off without any problems at all. It just cut real smooth. I had no problem shaping it. It really pays to have sharp chisels when you're dealing with small wood like this at high speed. I put it about 1800 RPMs and started shaping and finishing it. And then I did some sanding with about 300 down to triple-aught steel wool. And I wish I had more of this wood. It turned out to be a really fun wood to work with, and it just really worked well. I ended up sanding an awful lot, and it's not all shown on this video, but I wanted to make sure it had a good finish. So I spent some extra time making sure it was perfect. And then I put on a coat of good old-fashioned linseed oil. And for this kind of light wood, I think it adds a real nice finish. So we just put some linseed oil on it. After the linseed oil, I did a couple of coats of rub-on poly, and I think it turned out super nice.
Really hope they like it.